Hello and welcome to All-in-One SEO 5.0. You check your SEO score before you publish, and your headline is the first thing anyone reads. The question is, why it gets checked somewhere else? That's what changes in 5.0. The headline analyzer now lives with the rest of your score. Open any draft, find the optimization tab, and one card shows your score out of 100 across 5 subtasks: keywords, basics, spelling, readability, and headline. Aim for 70 or above. Below 40 needs work before you publish. Word balance breaks your title into common, uncommon, emotional, and power words, while sentiment and headline type show how it reads and what kind of headline it is. There's nothing to install. Open a post, click optimization, choose headline, and your score is already there, because scores now generate automatically instead of waiting for you to save. Edit your title right in the field, and your score moves as you type. So you can try a version and see the difference before you commit. Click apply to keep it, or reset to try again. A guide to houseplants can climb from 54 to 66, and a gym owner can test 2 membership page titles side by side. That's the headline analyzer in 5.0, free on every plan. Update your plugin today and learn more at allinoneseo.com.